This is the Hotel Montera in Madrid, Spain. It's part of the Courier collection by Hilton. So far, I just checked in and got a tour of the room. The service was very nice, very, very nice. Probably the best service of any of the Courier collections I've stayed. The hotel is has a lot of class. It's a small building. It's kind of a pain to get to because they access the Gran Via in Spain, so they don't actually access the street, so no fridge. So you have to actually kind of, the Uber has to leave you on the street and you have to kind of walk a little bit to get to the hotel entrance. But one thing here is very peaceful, quiet. The rooms are very well appointed. It feels it's kind of a step up from any of the Courier collections I've stayed in the US, and probably the ones I've stayed abroad too. I was on the second floor, which is not impressive room assignment for a Diamond member. But you get a nice view, and the windows actually do cancel out the noise very, very well. So you are in the Gran Via, which is the most touristy area of Spain, of Madrid. So if you like that, then you like this location. I'm a little bit ambivalent about it. To me, this area is nice, but it feels a little bit too touristy for me. A lot of class, I think. Nice touches. They give you a tour of the room. They give you a water bottle, which is nice. The bed is very comfortable. The room is tiny, but it's very well organized. You got some bathrobes. I'm not sure if that's traditionally for Courier, but the hotel feels definitely luxury. Then you have one vanity. And this particular room reserved, which is maybe the mid-range room, has a top and a rain shower, and then toilet here. So far, I really like it. I wish they would have given me a room in a higher floor, but for one night here in Madrid and for a Courier collection by Hilton, I'm actually very impressed. Very affordable too, which is great. This is the Hotel Montera in Madrid, Spain.